Hello guys, welcome back to another video of Tech Team channel. Hope you guys are having a nice day. In this video I'm going to show you how can you move images in Premiere Pro. So guys, to move images, here you can see I have selected a cartoon background here, a background field, and after that I'm going to put a UFO PNG here. So drop it the upper of this video, select this and right click on it and click on scale to frame size. Now just select this and double click on this UFO. Now make it as you like this here. I'm going to make it like here. And after that I'm going to put here. Now click on this panel, effect control, and here you will see this motion, expand it, and as you can see the position scale are here. You can change the position of the UFO if you like to move it. So just let's make it here at first and give a keyframe by clicking here, and after that just move it like 1 second here, and let's move the keyframe like this. Give the keyframe, making it looking like it is coming forward. Again move it like this, make it land on the street. Okay, you need to change this playhead and make it like it is moving. Let's make the UFO bigger because it has landed. Now check it. We just need to make another keyframe here at the beginning of the scale like this. Let's change it accordingly. Now let's see. As you can see, that's how you can make a move image in Premiere Pro. So guys, hope you find it helpful. If you have found this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe Tech Team channel. Thank you very much for watching the video.